Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. In today's video we are going to look at these coins right here, which both come to you from Japan. They are the 100 yen coin as featured right here, and then the 1 yen coin as featured right here. So we've got a coin that's worth 100 times the face value of the other one, but they're both still very cool coins, and I think you guys will really enjoy taking a look at these coins right here. In case you're unfamiliar with Japan, as far as area goes, it's a relatively small country, just 145,000 square miles. That ranks them 61st in the world as far as area. However, as far as population, they're 10th in the entire world. So there are 126 million people that live in Japan. That's according to the 2018 census. They've also got a very high GDP. Their GDP ranks them 4th in the world. So a very high population as well as GDP in a relatively small country, creating a very dense population in Japan. Now let's get back to the coins now that you got some stats about Japan. Well, let's first talk about the one on the left. So this one right here, the more valuable of the two. This is the Japan 100 yen. This comes to you from the Shōwa era. In the years that this coin was made was in United States calendar 1967 up until 1988. However, Japan uses a different calendar than us, so they have different dates on them. So their dates that you'll see on the coin are 42 up until 63. So you'll just see 42 up until 63. Now this one right here happens to be dated 43. Now as far as the coins that were made in 43, that translates to 1968. There are 471 million of these coins that were made. Wow, that is quite a lot of them. The highest year of production, it wasn't even that year. It's the year 55, which you'll see right here on the bottom, which translates to 1980, in which there were 588 million of them that were made. There were also very high mintage years in 1974 as well as 1973. So we'll see that all of these years have mintages over 100 million, with the exception of 83, 84, 85, and 86. Those mintages are cut back. I'm not sure. So if you're looking for a more rare version, look for U.S. dates 83 to 86. Those will have the dates of 58, 59, 60, and 61. So sorry if I was confusing you on those dates a little bit. The key is when you're looking up the dates right here, that isn't going to be the U.S. years. That's going to be the Japan calendar years. Now 100 yen, that translates to about 89 cents United States cents. So that's not a good sign for this coin right here once we get into it a little bit later. But this coin right here is worth 1/100th of the coin on the left. So this is worth less than a cent. Wow, that's unfortunate that this coin right here not really worth much at all. So as far as the details that we see on this reverse side of the coin, nothing special, nothing really at all. We just see 100 and then the dates down here at the bottom. And when we flip it over, it gets a little bit more exciting. We've got this very nice flower. This is a cherry blossom. We also see the issuing authority in Japanese written right up here and right up here. So the cherry blossom flower in the center, as well as Japan on the top and on the bottom. Now this coin is a copper nickel metal content. So when we look over to the other one, this is copper nickel right here. Any guesses on what this metal content would be? It's a very cheap metal. So this right here is aluminum, the metal content of this 1 yen coin. So I've got a couple other ones. So let me pull them. I got one other one as well, so we can pull that into the shot. And let's look at the obverse versus the reverse of this coin right here. This is the 1 yen coin. As I mentioned, it's worth less than a cent. So the 1 yen is abbreviated 1 JPY. It's an aluminum coin with a weight of just 1 gram. On the obverse side, which is the left side of the video that you see right here, we see a sprouting bamboo branch in the center. We see the authority at the top and the value in the denomination at the bottom. So we see a nice bamboo plant right here, which is what a lot of people probably associate with Japan. On the reverse side right here, very simple, just like the 100 yen coin. We just see the value within 2 inner circles and the date at the bottom. Now, the data at the bottom, of course, is in Japanese, so I can't really translate that for you. But as far as the mintages of these two coins right here, they were very high as well. Actually, higher than the 100 yen coin. The years 1964, 65, 72, 73, 74, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 88 all had over a billion of these that were made. So well over a billion, and that's billion per year. So when you're looking at the big bulky years of 79 to 83, that consists of 5 different years, and there were over a billion that were made each year. So they must have been burning through these coins very quickly, just probably based on a increasing population and a lot of commerce going on. But they were making so many of these coins, it's actually astounding how many were actually made. All right, so let's quickly recap what we looked at today. We looked at the 1 yen coin. There are so many millions and billions of these coins produced that yours probably isn't going to be worth too much. In addition, the fact that one JPY, 1 yen, translates to less than 1 cent United States cents. However, this one right here will have a little bit more value. This one will be worth almost $1, about 89 cents. And this one has a heftier metal content to it. It's copper nickel metal content, compared to the aluminum 1 yen coin in the back, as well as the mintages on this 100 yen coin are going to be much lower than the 1 yen coin. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please do check out some of the other videos on this channel. Thank you very much, everyone. I really appreciate you spending some time with me and checking out this video about the 100 and the 1 yen coin of Japan. Thanks, enjoy.